Hello vlog, this is my guys. This is the moonlight here in our place. Uh, we see this moon like this, very clear and very nice to watch the moon while he is rising. Okay, so I took a video and make also a content for my vlog, reels, and TikTok. My YouTube channel, God's Glory Vlogger. Please subscribe, and to my TikTok follow. Please follow to my reels and to my TikTok. God's Glory Vlogger YouTube channel, FB, TikTok Reels, Josinil Ocampo, Josinenhil Ocampo, to help those needy people in our country. Okay, so that is the moonlight. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to watch, and to like all my videos. Bye bye. God bless you.